let's look at this word problem. In 2004, the restaurant industry in the United States employed about 11.9 million people. In 2014, this number increased to 13.5 million employees. A. Write an equation describing the linear relationship between the time and the number of restaurant industry employees. Okay, use the ordered pairs of the form year past 2004, that will be our X, right? Number of restaurant employees in millions, that will be our Y value. Let me make a chart real quick before anything. So X will be year past 2004. Okay, and the Y will be number of employees. Of course, in million, right? In million. Okay, let's finish part A first. All right, so in the first paragraph, there are two sentences. The first sentence says, in 2004, the corresponding numbers of employees is 11.9 million, and in 2014 we have 13.5 million. Okay, except these two years are not our X. The X is the year past 2004, so it needs to be 2004 minus 2004 for our first X, right, which is 0. And for the second X, it will be 2014 minus 2004. So 2014 minus 2004, that's 10. Right. So here we have two ordered pairs. One is 0, 11.9, the other is 10, 13.5. And we're going to use these two ordered pairs to find the equation of the line. Right? So we've done practice like this before. Given 2 points, find the equation of the line. We will use the point slope form, where we have to know 1 point on the line and the slope. Well, we do know 2 points, so we know a point, right, for sure. For the slope, we don't know it directly, but we can find the slope by using the slope formula. Okay, so let's do that first. Find the slope. Mark the 2 points as x1, y1, x2, y2, and plug in the numbers into the formula. 13.5 minus 11.9 on top, and 10 minus 0 at the bottom. So on top we have, looks like it's a 6. I borrow one, that's 1.6 on top divided by 10. 1.6 divided by 10. You move your decimal point one place to the left. So 0.16 is the slope. Okay, so now we have the slope. We know 2 points. We can just use 1 point. So we can write the equation. Right? So y, well, let's decide which point we want to use. It seems like the first point has a 0 in it. Right? It's always easy to deal with 0 in calculation. So I'm going to use the first point as the point in the point slope form. All right, writing the equation. Y, just a quick review, this is the point slope form. Okay, so plug in the y value of the point, 11.9, the slope 0.16, x minus 0. Okay, now simplify this. Y minus 11.9 equals 0.16. X minus 0 is just x. Okay, so move the 11.9 to the other side. Y equals, here's gone, that's why it's y on the left side. Okay, 0.16x plus 11.9. The reason we can't combine them because they're not like terms. Okay, so this is the equation of the line we're looking for part A. Okay, now let's look at part B. What is B asking? Use this equation, which is called the equation, to predict the number of restaurant industry employees in 2018. Okay, so basically we're given an x. We're trying to, this is not directly the x, but from 2018 we can find the x. We're trying to find the y. Right, basically we're given some x value. We're trying to find the y value. We know the equation already. Okay, so 2018 turning into our x will be 2018 minus 2004, right, which is 14. Okay, so basically this problem becomes, knowing x equals 14, I'm trying to find the corresponding y value. All right, so what I'm going to do here is plug in 14 into the equation for x. So y equals 0.16 times 14 plus 11.9. Okay, here you can use the help of the calculator. I'll just use the calculator from my computer. It's 0.16 times 14 times, okay, here we go, 0.16 times 14 and plus 11.9. Okay, that gives us 14.14. That's the answer, 14.14. So what does this number mean? This means in the year of 2018, the employee for the restaurant industry is predicted to be 14.14 million. And that is the answer to part B, 14.14 million.